Welcome. This is a final video to maintain your pixel camera quality using GCam on GrapheneOS. And if you notice your photos looking dull or blurry, you're not alone. This happens because GrapheneOS sometimes changes how the camera app handles settings, and many online guides make it super complicated with long menus and confusing steps, but on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that keeps your GCam sharp and clear every time without any extra apps or tweaks. All you need is one easy adjustment that most people miss. And if you want a full step-by-step tutorial to make your photos pop like new, comment below and I'll walk you through it quickly and safely.